Hey guys, Tony here. So I just wanted to make another video of another successful day for the Ea. Currently, we started the account at $978. It is sitting at $1,139. So it's been doing pretty well, and it's only been running for 3 days now. I think today is the third day. Today's the full third day, and the trading day ended today at 3 o'clock, so about an hour and a half ago. And you guys can see today that it made $76.56. So from yesterday, like 4 o'clock p.m. till today, 3 p.m., made about 76 bucks. And for the last 3 days, it's made $161, which is absolutely phenomenal. It's already broken past the 10% threshold of the original account that we started at 978. And it's looking like it might actually be headed towards the 20% range. And this is all within the first week, within the first 5 days, the first 5 trading days of this EA being ran. So it's doing phenomenally well. So I just wanted to update you guys again. We only started this last Friday, and it's already up $161, which is getting really, really close to the 20% mark for the initial investment in the account. Absolutely insane returns so far. Again, this might be like a unicorn example, because these are not gains that I would expect to get every single day. It might just be the markets being a little funky lately. But again, it's pretty good gains in the last 3 days or so, and this is me literally not doing anything.